Hello Anaga, hello Purva.
Hi Krishna, have you ever forgotten a medical appointment with your doctor?
Yeah, sometimes.
Do you know about the dire consequences of not taking your medicines on time?
I do, but what can I do about it? I'm really forgetful.
Have you ever stood staring blankly at your kitchen wondering what to make?
No, I don't. But my mom always wonders what to make. She keeps asking me.
If you have ever been in a similar situation, then this app is for you. We have designed Ambrosia to cater to your most essential needs.
Food and health. Our target customers are elderly people, home alone teens, working professionals, and homemakers. In short, we target health conscious people and anybody who loves to try exotic new food.
Akshita, did you know that in this modern day world, people are so busy with their work that they often forget about their health problems? People all over the country suffer from diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and more. Ambrosia assists you in finding the best recipes suited for your problems.
True, Apurva. Ambrosia is helpful for all people in general, not only for the working class. Elders, teens, and homemakers can benefit from our app. It reminds all people, young and old, to take medicines on time and to catch up with their appointments. Ambrosia provides recipes for the topmost cuisines of the world.
Were you aware that more than 44% of the world population suffers from unhealthy weight loss or gain?
Oh really? Ambrosia provides relevant and convenient recipes to aid you in this aspect.
All in all, Ambrosia is a user-friendly and beneficial app best suited for your needs.
Exactly.
Ambrosia gives you a solution to two main problems. It caters to your health and as well as to your taste buds. The medicine reminder prompts you not only to take your medicines on time, but also specifies the dosage. Ambrosia is an ad-free app and you have a 1-year free trial. You have nothing to lose but a lot to gain by downloading our app.
We at eTechify aspire to have a large share of the market both on a national and international basis. For this purpose, we have made use of social media marketing like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We have created our official pages on all these websites.
We like to feature our app in the segment Application of the Day on the show Gadget Guru on NDTV.
We will also air catchy jingles on radio in the 1 and 2 tier cities in India.
We would like to upload videos and advertisements on YouTube to ensure that our app gets adequate publicity.
Ambrosia provides you with various additional features such as the nearest medical help. This feature of Ambrosia enables you to locate the nearest health center from your current location. Another exciting feature of Ambrosia is the health filter. You can prepare anything ranging from breakfast to dessert. Also, a health filter enables the user to choose recipes that are appropriate for your current health condition. Ambrosia also helps the user to share their culinary skills with the world. We also aspire to include many other features in Ambrosia, including chat with the doctor, online health discussion, calorie counter, health tips on a regular basis, and food inventory.
You might ask, why Ambrosia? Why not just use the calendar app on your phone?
True, we can. But how would you like an app entirely dedicated to your health? Ambrosia not only reminds you when you have to take your medicines or when your appointments are, it maintains an entire record of the time, dosage, and name of the medicines you've taken. Isn't this more convenient?
In this modernized world of apps, it is almost impossible to come up with something that isn't already there. So, we improvised. Instead of carrying all the medical files, capsule coverings, and other stuff to your doctor, why not just take your phone?